What's going on, guys? Tony Maritato here, physical therapist. Welcome to the Knee Replacement Support Group YouTube channel. So quick tip for the weekend, if you want to play with flexion or extension and you want to do something a little bit different, these little guys are furniture sliders. I pick them up at the grocery store, I pick them up at Home Depot, at Lowe's, you can get them on Amazon. But if you don't have this, no big deal. You can use literally like a baking sheet. Some people just put a plastic bag on the floor. Anything that allows your foot to slide and glide a little more easily over the carpet. If you're on a slick linoleum, you can just use a sock. But what we're gonna do, let's pretend for a second I had a right total knee replacement, and I'm looking for ways to kind of creatively work on knee extension, knee flexion in an active way. So if I take, let's pretend this is a couch. Let's pretend here's my couch, here's the armrest of the couch, the back of the couch, the other armrest is down there. I turn sideways on the couch. Now, if I'm limited, let's say I don't even have 90 degrees of knee flexion on the right. What I do is I put my little slider behind me. Actually, we're gonna go a little further back. I'm gonna do a big circle and I'm gonna bend forward so that, notice my knee never went to 90 degrees. It's almost as if my knee is kind of in this position the entire time as I get back onto that slider. Now, I'm leaning forward, that's okay. The couch is here, I'm just kind of hanging out. I can be on the edge. And what I'm doing here is I'm pulling through the quad and the hip forward and back. Now when I'm kicking back, I'm trying to get extension. So I feel the back of the knee stretch a little bit. I also feel a stretch through the quadricep and the anterior hip. As I pull forward, you can see how I go into more flexion. Active range of motion, where I'm using the musculature to pull me into position of flexion or extension, is almost always going to work better than passive range of motion. Passive range of motion is when the therapist is pushing against you. I can tell you that in my experience, the more the therapist pushes, the more the patient resists because you're not in control. And I don't know about you, but I know that I had a knee replacement and my knee was swollen, my knee was painful, my knee is gonna be guarded. I don't want somebody pushing me beyond what I know I can tolerate. So by putting the power in your hands, by giving you the opportunity to control the intensity, control the force, every single time, I have found that the client will push into the motion further and a little more aggressively than they ever would let a therapist do it. And by you being in control, you can stop anytime. So I love these little furniture gliders. They're a couple bucks each. There's round ones, there's oblong ones. I get the bigger ones just because it's easier to get the foot on it. But guys, I hope that tip helps. If you have questions, post them in the comments below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.